I'm so happy with our cucumbers. These are the ones that have grown from the seeds that I put in the newspaper pots, the DIY pots that I made, that we dropped into the ground here, and they are thriving. The last lot, the previous batch that I'd planted before this, just got destroyed by slugs and snails and the weather, and I think largely because when I transplanted them, the soil around the roots fell apart. It just disintegrated when I put them in the ground, so it really disturbed the roots. But using this method, putting the seeds into the paper pots, and then when they were strong enough, the plants went into the ground, still in the pots, and they are now thriving. And that's great because we love cucumbers. Our turtles also love cucumbers. They're really good. They're full of water. They're good for fibre. Fabulous for helping your digestive system and detox. They've got potassium, they've got vitamin K, they've got vitamin C. It's good to eat whole foods grown in your own garden. If you want to see how I planted the seeds in these paper pots and then put them in the ground, you can check out this video next. Thanks very much for watching.